How's it, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another live stream today. I'm CryptoNinja. I'll be going over the most important levels for Bitcoin. And obviously, guys, we are looking like we're getting a potential move here. The market is looking really, really strong. It's looking really, really strong here. I do think that we are going to see a little bit more upside in the near future. Right now, I am long on a couple coins here. I did take a long for OP at this price. So you can see that if we go straight to the OP chart right over here, we can see that we are long currently on OP. I'm looking to target quite a nice range back up to the 1.85 level. It's looking like we are going more to the upside here. So overall market is looking good. It is looking like we are seeing a nice little bounce. Even Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is breaking out. It is breaking above the 62K level. So 62K, guys, was the level for Bitcoin. And obviously right now, we are breaking above this point, right? We're breaking above the 62K zone. And what's important to note is that the next key level, guys, the next key level for Bitcoin is going to be this level here. Okay. So this level here at around about 64K, that is going to be the next zone for Bitcoin. Clearly right now we are breaking above this level and it's looking really, really strong. I do think that Bitcoin is going to go towards this zone very, very shortly. I do have a setup for you guys right now. I do have quite a good setup. I will go over it quickly, but I first want to quickly show you why I'm really, really bullish on Bitcoin right now. But this is on the short term, so don't get it wrong. It does look like we're going to see a temporary move to around about 64K. That is going to be the zone for Bitcoin. We obviously have to hold that level. Once we hold this level, then yeah, cool. Price most probably going to get rejected from that zone, coming down a little bit lower. Okay. But I do have a setup here for audio. So we are long on audio from this price. I'm trying to look at this range back up to, I do think that if we, let's actually just take the fib from the low to the higher. Okay, so there is a few levels that I'm going to be watching out for audio. I do think that this level here is going to be your significant resistance. The next level would be around about here. So we're going to have to wait and see there for audio. I do think that we are going to tap into this level within the short term. This is why I'm really, really bullish on audio in the short term. We had a nice daily breakout. There is still 9 hours until this next daily close. So I do think that, the market is looking really, really good right now. OP is looking absolutely crazy. Audi is looking good. A lot of coins are pumping quite hard here. And the thing is, audio is not really doing much. But if you look at the chart, we've had our move already. We've already had that setup. It's based on the daily time frame. So it just needs a little bit more push to the upside. I don't really care if Bitcoin goes up or down. I do think that audio is ready for its next leg, based on the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame is all we need for the setup. And yeah, look at this chart over here. Beautiful. OP is absolutely ripping here. OP is looking really, really good. Okay, so obviously market's looking great. Audio is just holding a little bit here. It's a bit strange. I do think that we will see a push. This is your reaction zone here. It's currently bouncing from this level. So this is the ideal place to long. So if you haven't yet longed audio at this price, I do think that it's still at a good level for potential long. Because if you're looking at audio on the higher time frame, it just looks really, really bullish, really, really strong. I do think that having a position at this level is going to reap quite a nice benefit. Even on a 10x, you're looking at quite a nice move here. So from the current price, you're looking at a 10% move here, and then even a 20% move back up to 2.8. So right now, audio is at that point where we can see quite a nice bounce. Even on the 30-minute, looks really good. It closed bullish. So overall markets looking absolutely fire right now, looking really, really good. OP also, Bitcoin's breaking highs. Overall market looking really, really great here. I do think that we are going to see quite a nice move here. Okay, even Ethereum, have a look at ETH. So we're going to have to wait and see here. Sorry, the Wi-Fi is just a little bit off here. Yeah, so Ethereum, we had that breakout today. And what's important here for Ethereum, guys, is Ethereum is ready for a next massive move, right? The next move is going to be at around about, I mean, it's already moving right now, but the next level here, let's have a look here. Yeah, so we got a level at 3487. That is the next key zone, 3487. Yeah, right now it does look like we're going to get there within today. Obviously, the market is looking absolutely great. Everything's kind of just pumping really hard here. Yeah, overall looking absolutely beautiful. Rendar is ready for a next push here. Even if you look at the 1 hour time frame, Rendar is about to break these highs. So if Rendar can break these highs right now, then beautiful. We're going to see more upside. But remember, guys, this is just a temporary pump. I don't think that we're going to see, Bitcoin going to 80K from this level, right? I don't think that we're going to see that. I think that right now we are just going to see a temporary push, a temporary bullish move. Like even with Audi, we've had quite a nice move. We broke above this level here. It's looking really strong. Next key level for Audi is 41.25. But like I said, I do think that the market right now is just at a point where Bitcoin dominance is coming down. Altcoins need a bit of room to push. It's literally at that type of point where we're just getting these fake little pumps to the upside. So my main coins that I'm looking at is audio, just because of how nice the daily time frame looks. Right, the daily time frame looks really strong. I do think that this is going to be a really nice setup. Okay. So have a look at this. This is going to be posted on my Twitter. So we're going to post the setup. So wait, let's put a stop loss just below that low. Okay. So audio longs are very valid here. Have a look. Okay, so that's a setup for audio. I mean, it looks really good. It's based on the daily, and obviously the market right now it's at a good point. Like we're seeing a massive push. A lot of coins are at really strong support levels. Like even if we have a look at AVAX was really strong compared to Bitcoin. So when we have a coin that is really strong against Bitcoin, we do see that push. So AVAX pumping very nicely here. Yeah, look at this, pumping so hard, because it's the AVAX to Bitcoin charts up 4.5% today, right? AVAX to Bitcoin up almost 5%, which is absolutely crazy. So yeah, it broke above this level. We were looking at this level for AVAX to Bitcoin, and honestly, this is the level that we were waiting for a break, right? It's been in a downtrend for so long on the AVAX to Bitcoin chart, which means that the probability of us breaking up here is just more likely. Okay, so yeah, overall market looking like a beautiful pump is ready here. Audio looks really good. Everything's looking great here. Solana has been pumping really hard as well. Everything's looking really good, yeah. Yeah, look at this. I mean, I'm loving the setup. Yeah, look at this Solana. That's crazy. It's honestly crazy. Rendo is about to break out. Solana is just absolutely so strong. Very, very strong here, guys. So just make sure you understand what's happening. Let's see. FET, beautiful. Okay. Honestly, I want to see how this plays out, because this is a great setup, guys. If you guys did just join right now, audio is looking absolutely great for long. You can see that Solana's already played out, guys. Solana's already played out. But what is next is audio. Audio is next, guys. This setup's gonna pump hard. Trust me. Yeah, I do think that this trade here, we're gonna be getting a massive pump, and I do think that audio is about to pump really hard here, guys. Look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame is really strong, really strong, right? We broke above this high. The key levels here, I mean, we're looking at a 55% gain. So if you long this on a 5x, even a 10x, you're looking at 550%. Okay. So honestly, audio looking really good here. Solana is looking great. Everything's looking good. But the problem is, guys, we at a critical point. We're at a critical point right now where Bitcoin is pumping, right? Ethereum is pumping, Solana is pumping. But the problem is, I don't think that this is the pump to 70K, right? I think Bitcoin, if we go back to Bitcoin, yeah, let's have a look. If we go back to Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin, it's obviously looking really great here, guys. The next key level for Bitcoin is at 64K. It's going to be this level here, 64,000. Let's call it 64K. I think that's the next key level. And then, but the problem is there's still this downtrend, right? If you look at Bitcoin, there's still this downtrend right over here. We have to see if Bitcoin can break out of this level here, and also if we take the fib from the low to the high, we have a level that Bitcoin can definitely come back into here. And this is where I'm going to be shorting, right? I think that Bitcoin is really looking really good here for a potential short at the zone, right? Because the thing is, right now, we're getting a nice move, right? I'm not going to lie, this move is really good. We're getting a nice little push here. And I just want to make sure, if we can get this long, Bitcoin can definitely come up to these levels here. We can look for a short at these highs right over here, back down to 58K. I'm going to be opening up quite a nice short at that zone. But right now, I just think that this is going to be the play. Audio long, trust me. If you long this right now at this price, it's looking really, really good. It's looking really, really good. Okay, audio is setting up for a beautiful, beautiful pump here. Audio is setting up for a beautiful, beautiful pump. And if you guys did just join, welcome. We are long on audio. We're long on audio over here. We did take a long for audio at this level. So right now we are looking really, really good. So we do think that audio. I mean, I think that audio is about to really, really pump. I think that it's got such a massive upside potential. We're looking at around about 55% to the highs. I really think that that's the next key level for audio. Solana's already at the next key level 154. So that's the thing is, right, when we trading, if you miss a setup like Solana where it just pumps really, really hard, the probability of us, we have to look for other setups, right? And audio looks awesome on the daily time frame. It looks really, really good. Bitcoin's looking great. We're looking for Bitcoin shorts back down to this level. We did actually take a Bitcoin. We took a Bitcoin long today from this level over here, but we're looking at Bitcoin to come back down. Once we hit 65K, we're going to look for potential shorts for Bitcoin at that level. So right now, just in an audio long. So we're just waiting to see what we got right now. But overall, market's looking really great. Even 𝗕𝗫𝗄, we spoke about this, 𝗕𝗫𝗄 bouncing. Bouncing. Okay. Yeah, let me know what you guys' thoughts on the market. Obviously, right now, the market is obviously at a critical stage. It's at a critical stage where we're seeing quite a nice rally. We're seeing a great rally right now, but I don't think that the rally is done. I think that there's a lot more upside, but in the future, in the next couple of days, 2 weeks, I do think that the market can dump really, really hard as well. So just be careful with this market right now. Okay, just be careful. What I mean by that is don't take some profits when you are in profit, right? Don't overstay in this type of market because it can definitely dump on you. So just be careful of that. Okay, because right now we are seeing a nice push, right? We're seeing a beautiful push. We're seeing a great push on most coins. So we're going to take advantage of that. We're going to take some longs. But when the market definitely comes down, when the market starts reversing, we're going to take some shorts as well. Okay, so what my prediction is for now is that I'm seeing a bullish pattern for Bitcoin definitely to 65K. I'm seeing a bullish pattern for Bitcoin to 65K, and then what we're going to see is a potential dump from 65K, right? Once Bitcoin breaks really, really strong here, we're going to see a push to 64, retest this line, break out, come back up to 66 to 67, 65. Then we're going to take a short from that level back all the way down to 58K. That is going to be the play. That is going to be the play for the day. Okay. Sorry, not for the day, for the next couple of weeks. So obviously right now market's looking great, but I don't think that this is it, right? I don't think that this is it. I don't think that this is the pump that everyone's like, oh, Bitcoin's going to 70, Bitcoin's going to 80. It's not. It's not going to be that case. Okay. The case is right now, Bitcoin is currently pumping, right? Bitcoin is currently pumping, but it's not going to pump that much. It's only going to come around about 65 to 66K. Okay. So that's pretty much what I've got for you guys today. The market audio, make sure you guys do follow me on Twitter over here. Yeah, make sure you guys do follow me on Twitter over here. Basically, guys, we post setups every single day. Today, we did post this setup here. So we got an audio long. I mean, it's looking great. We're already up. We're already up 7% just from the stream. And I'm going to be holding this for the next couple of days. Okay, I do appreciate everyone joining today. I hope you guys did enjoy this stream. It's going to be a short stream because the markets, I mean, it's really bullish, but we spoke about the most important levels, and AVAX absolutely so strong as well. A lot of coins just are performing everything, and I do think that ODO is going to be the next one just to absolutely skyrocket. Okay. So yeah, let's see what happens. I mean, the market's printing, the market's doing things. Bitcoin's next level is definitely at 65 to 67K. Yeah, it's looking great. It's looking good. I do think that there is more upside, but I don't think that we're gonna see new highs to like 80K or anything like that. I think that we're probably gonna see a 66 to 67K level. This level looks really, really strong. But I mean, it's at a stage right now where price is just most probably just gonna pump back up to this level, and then we look for that short back down. I mean, I'll probably take a short at around about 67K. That's your 618 level, very, very strong level. If we have a look at the volume profile from this low here, let's have a look. Yeah, that's your zone. You'd probably want to take a short from that zone there, or your stop loss just above that level. That would be a nice little play. Yeah, do appreciate everyone joining. I hope you guys did have a good session. Like I said, the play for the day is long audio. I think that this is a great setup. I think that audio is going to absolutely skyrocket in the next couple of days. So let's see. We're going to be trading this. We're going to be holding this for the next couple of days. We think that Bitcoin is probably going to go back up to 64K. We think that AVAX is really almost at our target. If it breaks out there, it's definitely going to go back to 31. Looking really, really good for a short-term bounce. Okay, I do appreciate everyone joining. We will see you tomorrow. I will be going live again tomorrow. Make sure you guys do join tomorrow, because today was a relatively short stream. But let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. I do think that audio is going to be the one for the day. Let's see. The 30-minute candle did just close really nicely. The 1 hour candle just is about to close in 30 minutes. 50-minute candle closed really strong. I do think that audio is going to be the next one to pump. Okay. Thanks so much, guys, for joining. I appreciate you guys being here. Peace out.